So I'm here this morning in a beautiful field in Hosagunda, India. There's a variety of plants that are growing here, including turmeric and tulsi, and this particular plant is an Indian variety of hibiscus. So the plant has a beautiful flower, as you can see, and after it blossoms, it turns into this red fruit, the leaves of which are sweet and cooling in action, and it can be used to support healthy hair growth. It's actually a primary ingredient in our healthy hair formula, and it's also in our hair oil as well. In addition to supporting healthy hair, it's also good for the complexion, and it also supports proper function of the kidneys and is a wonderful tonic for the female reproductive system. This is a great example of a beautiful plant that supports beauty on the inside and the outside.